Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video everybody. In today's video, we actually have a very exciting event happening, I guess you could call it. We are unboxing not just some silver, but a mystery box that was sent to me by somebody. You know, it started off with an original order, but they were really nice and offered to send a lot of other stuff. I don't even know about some of it, so I'm so excited to get into it. Let's head over right now. Alrighty, let's head in. So this is thanks to Mint Silver Coins on the Silver Stackers forum. Very, very nice person, very helpful as well. So a big shout out to them. And let's get into this very, very carefully. So always want to be careful, don't want to break anything. What? Well, this is exciting. Okay, so we have a lot of stuff. Wow. What is in here? Holy guacamole. Okay. So, there we go. Okay, great. So first we have a microscope. And so from what I believe, this is really good for having a look at some small coin marks. Oh, thank you very much. This is amazing. Okay, so here we have the little microscope. What? This is remarkable. Okay, let's see if I can figure out how to use this. Oh, there's a little torch. Huh. Is that it? I'll figure this out sometime, maybe not in the video, but very cool stuff here. Very excited with that, so thank you so much. And got a nice little case. And then we have the big mega bag. So I'll see if I can pick out the bit that I originally ordered. I think it's this one? So much stuff in here, I can't even decide. I believe it is this. So let's get into this little one here. Just in a little padded bag, but definitely appreciate the extra security. There we go. Okay, so we have another 1 ounce bullion coin today, and this is my first bit of Silver Bullet Silver Shield piece. I know a lot of you would be familiar with the group Silver Bullet Silver Shield, but we have the Justice round here, and I'm very, very happy with this. I'm a big fan of the stuff they make, and I really like the design of it. So a 2018 Justice round, very nice piece there. That's the original order, but as you can see, there's so much more here, so lots of exciting stuff to go through. What do we got here? Oh, thank you. Wow. We've got a bunch of express post stickers and signature on delivery stickers. That'll be really helpful for posting. Thank you very much for that. What? There's so much cool stuff. Okay, so we're going to get into here. I think I know what this is, but always got to check. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, so we have the 2019 Mr. Squiggle set. So for those of you who don't know what this is basically a bit of a coin collection that the Royal Australian Mint creates each year actually, and I think they're distributed by Woolworths. But here we have these spectacular coins. They're coloured coins, special designs. I think a lot of you may have heard of these, but you can buy them, and just to give you guys some idea, you buy this for about $15 and what's there? $10 worth of coins in here. These are actual legal tender coins. You could spend them if you wanted to. I wouldn't, but it's about $10 worth of coins you buy for $15, and then pretty much as soon as they run out or sell out, they become worth way more. You know, around $45 for this set, because there is a limited mintage on these things. So very exciting stuff there. Hopefully you can still see me. Great. This is one that I'm very excited about. So I was telling them how I was planning and wanting to start collecting these. So this is the Possum Magic set. I'm such a big fan. When it was first released in 2017, you would actually be able to pick up some of these Possum Magic coins in the Woolworths till. You know, you get them when you get some spare change, and I got it and I loved it, but I made the mistake of spending it, and I regretted that choice for a very long time to come. But here we have the empty coin folder except the 1 cent coin, which is a very nice 1 cent coin, but it is my goal to complete the Possum Magic set. So I've been looking everywhere to get them at a good price. So I'm on the lookout. I'll tell you guys when we fill this up, but I'm really, really happy that I have the folder for that now. So that's all for the padded bag there, and we have one last thing, which is a very generous gift, and that is a a classic round 50-cent piece. So thank you very much for this. This is actually quite a valuable piece. You know, it's not an ounce of silver, but it's about a third of an ounce. So thank you very much for that. Wow, what an exciting unboxing. This is like a full-on mystery box today. We've got the round 50 cent, the Justice round, the microscope, the possum magic, the sending stickers, the Mr. Squiggle set. This is just joyful. Thank you so much, Mint Silver Coins. It makes me so happy that I can share all of these amazing items with everybody in the video. Amazing new group of items to put in. Very excited, especially with the microscope, because that will be very helpful when examining coins and the sorts. So thank you very much for everything here. That's pretty much it for the video. So a big shout out to Mint Silver Coins on the Silver Stackers forum. Very nice person, so a big thanks to them. That's all for now, guys, and until next time, everybody. Goodbye.